Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this stuffed waffle maker from Presto. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but for some things you need to know. Okay, I'll show you how this works. I'll also show you in the kitchen real quick as a demonstration. But basically the basics of it is you fill the bottom part with batter, and then there's a certain line you fill it up to. And then on top of that, you can put anything that's really cooked that you want, like cooked chicken, cooked eggs. You can put cooked bacon in there. Or you could put stuff like, whipping cream, whipped cream, jam, jelly, anything that's like that, you could put in the middle there as well, butter, whatever. And then you would put the rest of the mix on top of it, the rest of the batter, close it up, cook it. And once it's cooked and you open that up, you basically open this up and then you use this piece here to kind of grab it out and put it on the plate. And what you're going to have is basically two waffles on top of something in the middle, but it's really enclosed in like one giant waffle now. It's like a waffle, it's like this thick. And if you do it right, it's all enclosed. And once you cut into there, whatever's in the middle is it's really fun to eat, really fun to use, guys. This is especially fun to use around children, kids. My nieces love this thing. You pull this out on a Saturday, Sunday, holiday, whenever, and you kind of just make your own creations with it. And it's really fun to experiment using jam or cooked bacon, or you can even make cakes with this thing as well and get creative that way. It's just a really fun piece of equipment, and it's very versatile. And that's my favorite thing about it, is how much you can do with this and how many different things you can put in the middle. And you can just surprise people with this as well. They don't have to know what's in the middle, and you serve it to them, they cut open, and it's kind of just a fun little surprise what they get to find that day. Anyways, guys, this is a really fun product. It makes great food. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.